Hello, hello again. I am hoping you have gone through the syllabus description screencast by now. If you haven't, then hi, I'm your teacher. Now, what I want to do really quickly, this one isn't going to be very long, is I just want to walk you through what D2L looks like. And again, I'm going to do it hopefully from a student perspective. I'm going to change it from instructor to student role, so hopefully you'll be able to see things a little bit differently. Our homepage is going to look something a little bit like this, making sure you're using the right email address, course introduction information. Please do read through all of that. And there will be some general information, mental health information, also some citation information. So there's some resources already there for you. Whenever we have things due, they will show over here, at least the ones that are in the Dropbox will. Not all of your individual discussion forum posts or anything like that will be in the calendar, so keep up with those. If you go to the Content tab, your syllabus will be there, and by this time there will be a couple of other attachments there, the screencast being one of them. Whenever you need anything for this class, just go to the Lectures and Supplementals section, and you're going to see all these different sections of information here, and they are put in order to assist you through the class. So there will be PowerPoints, citation training. This is to help you, again, work with your citing sources and speeches. Research and outlining and delivery resources are here for you. And then presentation and project resources are there. There will also be extra credit opportunities here. And whenever I do have extra credit available, I will let you know and I'll add it to that tab. Under the communication tab, there will be the class list function. I cannot click on that because even on my student portal here, if I click on class list, it'll show everybody's e-numbers, so I can't do that. But what happens if you click on that is you will see everybody that is registered in the course, and you will be able to email anybody in the class if you need help. You can also find me and my email address there as well. Under discussions, this will potentially be the most important one for you. This will be where you can introduce yourself so that we can get to know you. And then if you go through here every week, well, most weeks, you're going to have assignments due or reviews there. And this is really arranged to be in order. So you'll be able to go through there and each week just go down, scroll down a little bit more. The only area that is not in order would be groups. I have group solutions here, but the actual groups are down here. You will have a group project later in the semester. It will not be a group presentation. It will be something you work on together. Don't panic about it yet. Let me help you with it when we get there. But everything there is in order for you to help you get through the semester. If you go to the evaluation tab, again, this is probably going to look a little bit different to you than it is probably whenever you get to it, because right now, again, I'm in instructor/student mode, so it's going to show some exams there that you actually don't have to take. But I'm going to click there anyway. For example here, you can see where it says past quizzes. What you will probably see at this point will only be speech training quiz. The speech training quiz is something that you have unlimited attempts at, and it's going to help you train yourself on how to cite sources appropriately in a presentation. That training quiz is actually what this citation training module is associated with. You will be asked to do this in probably 2, maybe 3 weeks. So if you go to this module, go through that PDF there, and then go to the assessments tab, you will find the quiz there where you can take it. Again, by the time you see this, the midterm and final should not be showing for you. Also, under the evaluation tab, you will have Dropbox, and again, you can see this isn't quite updated yet, but that's fine. I try to do my screencasts significantly in advance, but Turnitin will be activated for each of these Dropboxes by the time we start. And Turnitin is a software program that ETSU uses to check and make sure you have not copied or plagiarized any work, and it will let me know whenever that is activated. The fun things you can't do during the holiday break. So Dropboxes will be here where you will submit any work that you need to submit, and then of course your grades will be there. Again, I can't click on that because then that'll show everybody's information. So that is your really brief overview of where everything is. I'm sorry that it is not perfect for you, but D2L has its limitations on what you can show before the semester begins. If you have any questions on where to go and how to find information, by all means let me know. Your biggest friend is essentially going to be that content tab, because that it will again have PowerPoints and it will have screencasts like the one you're watching. These are screencasts here. So that way you can find what you need for each section as you go through it. If there's anything I can do to assist you, by all means let me know. And I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day.